The impact of AI on the future of work, a quick exploration. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world of work. From self-driving cars to chatbots, AI is disrupting industries and changing the workforce landscape. While some fear that AI will replace jobs, the truth is that it can also create new jobs and enhance our work experiences. As we continue to innovate and integrate AI in the workplace, it is important for us to adapt and learn new skills. By doing so, we can embrace the benefits of AI and shape a better future of work. Discover the profound influence of AI on society. Explore the societal implications, challenges, and ethical considerations in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Journey into the realm of AI singularity, where machines surpass human intelligence. Explore its potential consequences and the quest for understanding the future of AI.